Today I am going to show you how to make a DIY unicorn diary. Okay, so these are things which you would need. You would need a cardboard, no exact measurement. You can just take a rectangular cardboard and draw two lines in the middle of it. Okay, and then a big strip of cotton that should be fitting this, not exactly, little bit there can be gaps. And since this is a big bunch, I have divided it into 3. You can also do the same. Then 4 colors of foam sheets. I have taken these colors. You can take any other similar colors if you don't have these colors. And if you don't have foam sheets, you can also use glitter tapes like these, or glitter tapes which have designs like this. Okay. Then I have a small booklet which has about 40 to 50 pages, and I've stuck cello tape and sealed it well. Then scissors, a pencil, then glue, and then a color paper which fits this cardboard. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first you need your cardboard, cotton, glue and scissors. So now turn it. You can have any design here. So take glue and apply some glue here. Now take some cotton and place it over it. Okay. Now apply some glue here too. And then stick this over here. You can just allow this to dry. After it dries, we'll be doing one more step. Now if you notice there are any gaps on this area, like I have little gap here. So you can take little bit of cotton, apply some glue there, and then just stick it there. Like that you can just adjust all the places. So I just adjust it with all the cotton, and now if you turn it, if you have any excess left out, using scissors you can just cut out a little bit. Okay, so you can leave little bit on this side here, and you can apply some glue here and then fold it inside. Now all the sides you can do the same. Since I had more excess out here, I had cut it with scissors. Since like here I have only little, right? If you have like that only, just you can apply glue and stick it. You can do the same for all the sides. So I've just stuck all the edges as you can see. Now turn it and just fold it. Okay. Now open it again and then apply glue on the entire cardboard. Okay, now bring in the paper and then stick this on top of it. You can allow this to dry. So this has completed drying. Now keep this aside. Bring in your foam sheet and your scissors. This has a sticky back, just like you can see. If you don't have foam sheets like this, you can use ordinary foam sheets and stick it with glue. Okay. Okay, I have cut it out in a small piece like this. So now take scissors and then cut it out like this. I've got a paper which can get 3 strips like this. If you have smaller paper, you can cut it into 2 pieces, or just like that itself you can use it as 1 strip. Okay, so what I'm showing you, with 1 strip you will need to do the same with the other strips also. Now take scissors and cut this into small rectangular pieces. Now I've got many pieces as you can see like this. Similarly with the other 2 pieces also you would need to do the same. So I've got these many strips of foam sheet. Now keep this aside and bring in the prepared cardboard. Just level up the cotton a bit. Now take one strip. Now stick it here. Like this you need to stick the strips as shown in the video. I'm done sticking the foam sheets, blue color foam sheets. Now keep this aside. Bring in your pencil, scissors and the pink color foam sheet. Okay, now turn it, and in any one corner there you just need to draw a heart. Okay, I've cut it out in the shape of a heart. Now bring in this, and I'm having a sticky bag, so I'm taking it off like this and doing. If you don't have a sticky bag foam sheet, you can use a normal foam sheet. So just stick it over here. Okay, next I've taken a lighter shade of pink. It's a foam sheet. Okay, now turn it and then draw a smaller heart. Okay, I've cut it out. Now bring in this. Now stick it near this. So now I've taken a pink color foam sheet, the same color which we made the heart. Okay, I've cut it out. Just like we did for the blue color, you will need to cut it out into small rectangular strips. So I've cut all the pieces. Now keep this aside and bring in your diary, and now you'll need to stick these pieces on them as shown. I have completed sticking the pink pieces also, so can keep this aside. Then bring in your yellow color foam sheet and then turn it around, and okay, so I've drawn a horn of a unicorn here. So now, okay, I've cut it out. This is a small horn. Now keep this aside. Now bring in your pink foam sheet, turn this, and then okay, so I've drawn a larger horn of a unicorn. You can, if you compare with it, this should be larger than it. Okay, now okay, I got this like this and this one like this. Now using scissors, just level up this edge a bit. Should be like this. Take this away. Okay, now you need to stick this yellow color foam sheet onto this pink color. Wow, wow, it looks amazing. Now take this. Since I have a sticky back foam sheet, I am taking off this much and cutting it off. No need to take it off fully. If you are applying glue also, only little bit would be needed, and then just stick it here. So this much is done. So now let's do the next step. Bring in your foam sheet, gold color foam sheet, and then turn it. Okay, so I've drawn two eyes like this. Now okay, so I've cut out two eyes for it. Now bring in the prepared diary. Now let's stick this. I'm done done sticking the eyes, you can use black or blue or dark colors or any other color also for sticking these eyes. Okay. Now let's open this. Now take a little booklet and take glue. So you would need to apply some glue here in the middle. And then stick this there. You can allow this to dry. Now here also little bit you would need to apply some glue and stick it, and even at the back side also you would need to do the same. So this has completed drying. See? So that's it, the diary is ready. The next step which I am going to show is entirely optional. If you want a unicorn lock diary, you can follow this step. So for that, take a safety pin. It would be like this. Okay, so that's it. Our diary is ready. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.